Welcome to Financial Consult's presentation on alternative investments. First, I want to say this is not financial advice and simply an introduction to investments available in the open market and suppliers of these services. I'll be taking you through the income potential while having a look at the difference between traditional versus alternative and niche investments. We will look at opportunities, restrictions, and various risk appetites and how you can reach these markets. My name is Rick van Skalkwyk. I've been in the financial industry since the age of 30. For the past 17 years, I've gained various experiences in various sectors. I work with major financial providers and consult high net worth individuals with multi-million rand investments in companies, security estates, group schemes, real estate developments, and more. Looking at different investments, we can easily think of listed shares, property, and direct business practices. Listed shares like a Capitec listed on the JSE or a Tesla listed on the Dow Jones. Typically, you would have an advisor who guide you to a fund manager who can then invest your funds, or you can use a fintech solution if you have sufficient investing experience, or you can reach the shares via a broker on the JSE or S&P 500. Property can also be a listed investment when large developers do a listing on these exchanges. Property can also be reached direct as it in a unique way where you can use leverage to purchase a large asset with the bank's money. Profits can be made by either buy to let, renovate and sell, or new property developments. Business as an investment in your own skills or partnership can be highly rewarding. However, it comes with a high risk and high active investing style, unless you have sufficient capital to have a management team in place. In the end, a small business can grow and either stay private or list their shares on the stock exchange. In a way, that is selling parts of your company. When considering alternative investments, the list is long. You can start hearing about crypto, estate loans, solar energy funds. Some have been around for more than a decade, while solar energy funds are the new kid in the block. Estate loans are typically security estates that need funding for maintenance, and they will take your private capital for fixed interest rate. The risks are somewhat lower since these investments, should they falter, you stand first in road to receive payment. Solar Green Funds has made its way into the South African market due to blackouts and a drive for solar energy. They also promise you a fixed interest rate, some government tax benefits, while utilizing the funds to build solar plants. So crypto investments have a range of possibilities, and we will discuss some low risk options. As an example, Bitcoin is 14 years old with a $1 trillion valuation, high growth, high volatility experience. Major banking and financial institutions are engaging in crypto, and even some countries' reserve currencies are going into crypto. The risk with these investments is simply not knowing what you don't know. These alternatives come with challenges not suitable for many investors, as they have high volatility, complex transactions, and some high risk pump and dump cryptos. Crypto exchanges are becoming more regulated with some strategic advantages. There is much to discuss in this field. However, I'll focus only on the strategy with the lowest risk where you don't have to rely on market movements and the hope the market goes up. Today, I'll introduce you to arbitrage in the crypto space. If you haven't heard of arbitrage investing, then you should know it happens every day and you are part of it. When an agent buys goods at the farmer's market at a low price and then go and sell it at a higher price at the retail market, there's profit, but at a trading risk. However, if the agent already have buyers for his goods at a higher price, the risk of buying and selling is very low. And in crypto, we call this crypto arbitrage, where there are already buyers on the exchanges where the price is higher. Crypto arbitrage is this the difference in price for the same asset at a different market, like a lower price in the US exchange and a higher price in the South African exchange. If you buy Bitcoin in the US market and sell it at a higher price in the South African, it's called a profitable crypto arbitrage, where the price difference brings arbitrage opportunities. The reason this happens is due to exchange controls. Supply and demand and the arbitrage premium has been from a negative to a positive 3%. And over the past few months, you would normally convert your rand into US dollar, send it to the US bank, buy the crypto on the US exchange, and send the crypto to South Africa, where you then sell it back to get your rand. The challenge is the slow flow of the fiat on the Swift exchange and the fast movement of the markets. As the time it takes for the funds to clear in the international markets can take 1 to 3 days, while the crypto price has changed in the meantime. It makes sense to use institutions who can hedge these uh, challenges and lock in the price. There are exchange control limits, and you can use your 1 million travel allowance and further apply to SARS for another 10 million investment. So if you have 500,000 Rand, for example, you can do the arbitrage trade multiple times until you reach your maximum allowance. You don't necessarily need a million Rand or 10 million Rand to do that. You do, however, need those funds in your account to apply. Let's look at the risk. There are currency fluctuation risk, crypto trade fees and bank trading fees, trading liquidity issues. If you do not have specialized software indicators that can show you exactly when to trade, and your hands do not exchange instantly to dollar and into crypto and back into rand, you can go into negative territory. Even when you saw the price difference on the international exchange and the local exchange. My goal is to introduce you to a lower risk alternative investment at a higher return. You could be looking at a return on investment of about 40 to 60% per annum, depending on your capital invested and the premium on the markets that allows you to trade. I need to state that financial consult do not engage in receiving clients' capital in our accounts for these investments. You trade with recommended companies. Your money stays in your bank or trading account and exchange accounts. We apply in our software signals to see when there is an arbitrage opportunities and then engage the trade. You can outsource the risk of currency fluctuations in crypto arbitrage to institutions who are geared to offer these facilities and give you a bespoke currency risk-free solution by locking in the arbitrage trade. Add 1% trading for 250,000 traded 40 times, you're looking at a 110,000 profit, effectively turning your 250,000 into 360,000 within a few months. Note that after every trade, your money is back into your account before the next trade is executed, normally 24 to 36 hours, which means you don't lock in your funds for months or years. What do you need to start? Well, first you need proof of funds in your bank account. You can get a loan, but only from a NCRCA institution like Financial Consult, or your own company shareholders can give you a shareholders loan agreement, but not from friends and family. This is due to exchange controls. Financial Consult has a FX broker code and registered with the NCRCA and uses reliable institutional partners to give you the best arbitrage experience. We use solid partnering institutions and familiar registered providers. There are good reasons why you use our services. Financial Consult assists clients setting up their accounts at specific banks, in specific accounts, your crypto exchanges, executing your arbitrage when there is opportunities. We didn't trade legally and do not share in your profits like some providers and have preferred exchange rates, which enhances your profits. Investing in property allows you to use banks' money, but this is not the norm for financial instruments. While Financial Consult does allow you to make use of our loan facilities in order to trade arbitrage when using our services, as we are confident in our trades. If you consider crypto arbitrage and you don't have your own funds, send an email to arbloan@financialconsult.co.za or simply visit our website. This is my short introduction into crypto arbitrage and alternative investments. You're welcome to head over to financialconsult.co.za. And if you consider crypto arbitrage, I wish you success in your trading experience. Thank you.